Hi, I'm Mason Molesky from George Washington University. My poster is about strengthening of hash functions, implementation through collision reduction using dependent set hashing. So the main idea is to strengthen the security of hashes, which are used to ensure the integrity of information, particularly on IoT devices, which are resource constrained. By using your original data set and creating multiple dependent data sets to exponentially increase the difficulty of finding a collision and making it that much harder for someone to create a malicious file with the same hash function, which would allow them to invalidate the integrity of that information.